Tired of that spaghetti monster lurking behind your server racks? This Chatsworth Evolution G3 Vertical Cable Manager might just be the elegant solution you've been searching for. It's designed to tame even the most chaotic cabling situations, especially in high-density setups on open 2-post and 4-post racks. What immediately stands out is the thoughtful design. The contoured front door isn't just for looks. It complements CPI's TerraFrame cabinets beautifully and features easy-open knobs, making access a breeze. No more fumbling around with stubborn latches. And that vertical center feature in a contrasting aluminum finish. It adds a touch of sophistication to what is usually a purely functional piece of equipment. But it's not all about aesthetics. Inside, this manager packs some serious innovation. The adjustable rear cable rings are a game changer. They have these spin-open latches on the back, which makes adding or removing cables incredibly simple without disrupting your existing setup. This is crucial when you're dealing with a lot of connections and need to make changes on the fly. The dimensions are pretty substantial too. We're looking at a 12-inch width, which is generous for managing a good amount of cable, and it stands a full 8 feet high. This means it can handle the vertical cable runs effectively, keeping everything neat and organized from top to bottom. While the description mentions other widths like 15 inches, this particular model, the 35,574/715, is the 12-inch wide version. Honestly, setting this up felt like a breath of fresh air compared to wrestling with generic cable ties and uninspired solutions. It feels robust, well-engineered, and genuinely solves the problem of cable clutter in a professional and efficient way. It's clear that CPI put a lot of thought into making this as user-friendly as possible, maximizing both capacity and ease of use. For anyone serious about maintaining a clean, organized, and accessible server environment, the Chatsworth Evolution G3 is a seriously impressive piece of kit. It's a robust, well-designed manager that makes a real difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.